discussing, as we keep discussing every single day for the last 13 months. Market rallying again and again and again. On Dow, I can speak only so fast. As we're discussing with students, massive numbers of bullish alerts in a play. Did we expect this? Of course! Intelligent trader well prepared. Intelligent trader understands what institutions do. This is a reason for the last 13 months for bullish power, for worthless bearish crawl. So for the trading room, for me to speak only so fast is impossible when we have such powerful and spectacular market formations. So this is a trade we discussed with students. As again, at the same exact time, you can have massive opportunities to buy this market. Clear on this? More and more bullish alerts in a play. Intelligent trader knows what chart to trade, what chart not to trade. Intelligent trader trades with risks appropriate for his account. And that's what was expected this morning. And that's another phenomenal institutional bullish rally. So what is the difference between this trade versus this trade? Here, big difference. Why? This is institutional bottom in the last few weeks. This is not. This is institutional resistance. This is day trading resistance. We are extremely high. So when you take a look on weekly chart and you're seeing institutional vertical curve, and if you're understanding that this is institutional support, you are not touching any shorts, you're trading with institutions. And when price comes to reversal zone, what does intelligent trader does? Adjust the trail. Because what can price do right now? Collapse completely. 10, 15, 20 points. This is not the place to buy. This is a place to exit your long. So have you seen phenomenal volatility again? On the long? Of course. Intelligent trader conquers instant gratification, conquers testosterone, conquers desire to be trigger-happy cowboy. Riding institutional train, riding institutional volume. Intelligent trader who taking advantage of this trade, done for the day. Shock or not, it's a reversal zone, not the place to buy, the place to exit your long. Clear on that? And that's sniper's mentality. And that's intelligent trading. All you have to do, be well prepared. Right now, scans are not giving us any trades, zero are present. Long trades are done. Trader who is trading Dow, done for the day. And that's the power of institutional buys, and that's the power of riding institutional volume and trend. Agree? Everyone with me? So this is what students done. 10 points light contract, manual 12 points. That's intelligent trading. Workday is over. And that's what students accomplished this morning. Your workday is over. 10 points less, a manual 12 points. Up 10 points. And that's the beauty of Dow. Right now there is absolutely nothing happening on Dow again. Nothing. Dow stuck as it reached reversal zone. Not the place to buy, the place to exit your long. Agree? And that's intelligent quality trading. So if you're ready to become quality trader and trade less than 30 minutes per day, I look forward to working with you. As you see clearly what students accomplish time and time again all over the world in 56 countries. Day trading futures, day trading stocks, position trading, anything you choose. Currently I work with stock trader in Saudi Arabia, hedge fund manager in London, hedge fund manager traders in New York and Florida. Doesn't matter if you're beginner trader, doesn't matter if you operate few $1,000 account or if you operate your own hedge fund. Method applies to all the instruments. You will never need anything else ever. All classes live, software lifetime license. Private mentoring 6 months includes all group classes. Any questions? View and see and listen what students do all over the world. Listen to podcasts, view videos, read Facebook reviews. If they can do it, so can you. All you have to do, treat trading with respect. All you have to do, make an effort. Any questions, do not hesitate to contact me, 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. I love what I do. I constantly develop new strategies, new software, and that becomes available only to graduates of the course, only to those who are serious about trading. New software coming out again soon for graduates only. So what does Dow do now? Nothing as expected. Stuck and frozen. That's what price does every single time when it reaches reversal zone. That's the reason I named this level reversal zone. If you choose to buy, it's not a brilliant idea. Your success rate on long at reversal zone less than 20%. Intelligent trader demands the pullback, and lower the price will collapse again and again and again, more powerful market will become. Because intelligent trader continue trading with institutions, buying the pullbacks. So if you're not clear about the method and software, pretty please view the webinar. It will answer a lot of your questions or view thousands of videos on our Fibonacci Trading YouTube channel. Thank you, traders. As intelligent trader done for the day. Dow is frozen as expected.